Life changes for us every week. Sometimes we're up, sometimes we're down. Other times life is great, other times life is a struggle. Sometimes we're happy, sometimes we're sad. But many people go through life never achieving their goals because of lack of motivation or because they have not found something they believe they're worthwhile to challenge them. Don't ever let anyone tell you what you can or can't do. A wise man once said, life is our gift to us that God has given us. And how we live our lives is our gift to God. Now ask yourself, what kind of gift am I formulating? So whatever your dream is, whatever your plan is, never give in, never give up. I'm telling you, if you change your mind, you can change your life.